Welcome back to another video. Today I will tell you how to install Ubuntu into Windows 11. So let's start. First of all, open command prompt, write a command wsl install d Ubuntu. This command will install the Ubuntu into your Windows 11. You should have a stable internet connection for this. It will take some time. Check here is it start installing Ubuntu. Now we will give you a user account name. Give your password. Retype your password. Now check it. Now Ubuntu is installed into your PC. Now we check it by giving a command sudo man sudo root. Check here, it gives the information about the Ubuntu installed into your system. Check check here, now it show Ubuntu into our search bar. When we click on Ubuntu, it open a interface like that. So now our Ubuntu is installed successfully. Thank you for watching this. Hit like and share for more videos.